All right, guys, we got the Fanttik. This is the NEX E1 Max with 50 bits, and I'm going to tell you exactly why you need it. If you're needing something around the house, maybe got some toys, you got some things you need to get into for the kids, trying to fix stuff, you're just doing some basic stuff around the house, I tell you what, this is the handy thing you're going to keep in the junk drawer and making that drawer no longer junky. Let's go ahead and open it up so we can take a look at this Fanttik unit. First and foremost, it is rechargeable. You do get a USB-C cord on it, so that is important. So it works for everything. You don't have to actually use this one, but they give you one, which is important. You do not get a brick, so make sure you have one in the house, but it is ready to go for you. Next thing, the unit is solid. What I love about the Fanttik products in and itself is the fact that they make some of the most awesome products. Here is the guide. You get that. You can read through it or just see how awesome I review it for you. But here is the unit itself. Full metal casing right there. Just like that. Pretty awesome product. And it is in this nice square tube. So it's going to sit and lay flat in any drawer that you have. But you got it all right there. All you do is you press it right there. Here is the actual screwdriver. Boom. Just like that. Now I'm going to show you on the bottom. You have two different modes. You got a high, you got a lock, and you got a low, just with a twist and an L lock and an H all on the bottom for you to go. You have your forwards and backwards right here, pressing it, boom, forwards and backwards. And then you do have a light on the end, and that's where you're going to put your actual tool itself. Next thing, as you open this up, look how awesome this is. This is your 50 bits. All right here for you to go. Everything from star bits to hex bits to your standard Phillips, your everything in between. Pretty freaking awesome stuff with regards to it. It is all rip-roaring and ready to go there for you without any worries. Let's see how easy it is to actually pop one on. Check this out. So you can just push on the top. It's going to pop out the bottom just like so. And then you're going to take the unit just like this. It's magnetic. It's going to pop it in, and it's going to hold really nicely on there. Boom. And you're ready to go. Now you want to see how it actually works. We're going to show you how easy it is. So we got Phillips here for this. I'm able to loosen this up. Okay, I can use it without it. And I'm already loosened up. I'm ready to go. Want to tighten it down, and then there you have it. So you can use it just like a screwdriver, or you can loosen it up on your own, which is super important. I can flip this over to high because we're on low there. Get high torque with regards to it. Let's see if it'll get into it with some high torque without me twisting it. And just like that, we are in without any problems and be able to put this on without any issues. Guys, it is that easy. You're able to have this in-house, super small, very, very lightweight without any problems. Loving the extra light on the front so you're able to see stuff and able to get things done without any problems. And last but not least, you got your charge port right on the back right there. Plug it in for USB-C. Guys, this is why you got to pick up Fanttik. They have some of the best products on the market. When you talk about quality, this is absolute quality and has everything you possibly need. Check this out. I'm going to put it back now, just like so. And there you have it. There is the Fanttik NEX E1 Max with 50 bits.